My video tutorial is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the site scanandfixnow.com. Scanandfixnow.com is a malicious site. It may attack Google, Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers. Scanandfixnow.com tries to make you click on a special Start Instant Cleanup button. The pop-up indicates that your computer could be messed up with some malware. But this information is absolutely faulty. You should leave this page and not trust it. Such pop-ups could be the result of some adware in your computer. We recommend you to carefully research the list of available programs and uninstall any items that could be suspicious. We also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com and download it, install it, and then begin researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.